A Central Texas lawmaker wants to put a law on the books to prevent tragedies like the one that happened at a Georgetown pet boarding facility last month. State Representative James Talarico of Round Rock filed the bill today. It would require fire alarms and sprinkler systems in dog kennel facilities that aren't staffed 24/7. 75 dogs died in an overnight fire at the Ponderosa Pet Resort last month in Georgetown. There weren't any staff members on site when it happened.
My heart goes out to my constituents and all the members of our community who lost their loyal companions in this fire. And I think the best way to honor their memory is to put in place some common sense regulations that would prevent this type of tragedy from ever happening again.
Now, this topic isn't on Governor Greg Abbott's priority list for the current third special session of the year, but Representative Talarico says if it doesn't pass before the end of the current special session, he hopes it will in the next regular legislative session that begins in January of 2023.